Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm here to share with you my February Cards with a Twist club or class. So this is available in both models, whether you want to choose the club where you have a subscription, or you can choose this as a one-off class. So let me show you what's included, and I think you're going to really like it. So I am using the Sentimental Park bundle. With my twist class, I always center around a single stamp set, and oftentimes it's a bundle, but you can use the stamps you have, or you can add this on, or if you're a demonstrator, you might want to just purchase this with your own demonstrator discount. I create 8 cards, to each of 4 designs with a twist. And so you get everything you need to make these 8 cards. And let me show you what I mean about with a twist. So you always get your 8 envelopes, always include the envelopes. So this is probably a pretty big twist on this one, because this is the same layout with the designer series paper. But then I changed the inside is really, or I guess the focal points are pretty changed up. Big twist on those. Here's one where you can see a lot more similar. And, but again, same layout, just with a twist. And then here is same layout with a twist. And then I typically have at least one set of fun fold cards. So this is my fun fold for my February Cards with a Twist. And this is again featuring the Sentimental Park bundle. You do get with this class, it's a class to go. And this is not a live in-person class, it's a class to go. You get a half a pack of this beautiful Regency Park designer series paper. And this is the back side, this is the front side of each design. So you do get 24 sheets. That is plenty for you to do this class and then quite a few more cards. This is the one thing that you'll cut for yourself, but I do give you really explicit instructions, and these are also easy cuts that I give for you. And then you're also going to get a half roll of this beautiful Night of Navy. I think it's called striped ribbon. Beautiful, beautiful. Definitely has a denim vibe to it. And then you're going to get a full pack of these Milky dots. Now you can see I have used the heck out of these, but it does have 4 colors. There's the white, petal pink. These are really kind of purpley, to be honest. And then the navy and the mango melody, which are really kind of a golden color. These are gorgeous. You can see I've used the heck out of them. They come in you get 2 colors, and there's 200 pieces all together, and they're all adhesive back, which I love. So this again is my Cards with a Twist for February. It's going to be a quick turnaround this time, because I'm getting back on my regular Cards with a Twist schedule after my January kind of trip abroad and kind of being a little behind schedule. So this will be available for registration through February the 12th only. So you'll want to get on board with this. Again, I'm featuring Sentimental Park. One of the things I love about this stamp set, and one of the things I look for in particular for Cards with a Twist projects, is really versatile greetings. And these you can mix and match. You can do Dear Friend, You Are Amazing. You can do just Dear Friend. You can do Let's Celebrate You, or just Let's Celebrate, or Let's Celebrate Your Anniversary. So many options. The same goes for the flowers. Lots of options here. You have a little background stamp here. And I use just 2 inks on all my projects. Now, one of the reasons I do this is Cards with a Twist is a class that any level of crafter can do. If you're an avid crafter, you're going to love all my little bits and pieces and details on here. If you're brand new, you're not going to have any trouble doing these designs. All of these die cuts are done for you. That's the way I run my Cards with a Twist. So all of the die cuts are done for you. The only exception is if you're going to stamp and then well, the die cut would be here because you just have to stamp it. Let's see, are there any on here? I don't think there are on this class. Sometimes you have to stamp and then die cut, but I think on this one, all the die cuts are done for you. All the punching is done for you. So it's actually a great deal. And that is February Cards with a Twist. I hope you'll consider taking my class. Again, this is by mail. You get, with this class, you get PDF tutorials with step-by-step instructions, full color photos, and project lists. You also get a video overview. So I'm going to go over all of the projects and give you tips and tricks on executing them with ease and success. Thanks again. Take care and God bless.